Hi guys, how is everyone doing today? Welcome back to Luxe TV. Thank you all for always coming to watch my videos. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. If you have not joined the membership, please support my channel by joining this membership. Today's recipe is a simple carrot juice recipe. Very easy to find all of the ingredients, and let's go and make it, guys. So guys, here are the ingredients we're going to be using. Okay, I have carrots here which I've peeled and cleaned and washed. Okay, I have condensed milk here, so I'm going to be using like half a cup of condensed milk. Okay, because I don't want it too sweet. All right. I have vanilla extract here and also cinnamon. Okay, and also I have my blender here that I will use to be blending the carrots. So now I'm just going to go now cut the carrot into smaller sizes so that I'll be able to blend it in the blender, and I will be right back. So guys, our carrot is cut up now. Okay, so I have about a cup of water in the blender already, so I'm going to add some carrot to it. And we're gonna blend. I want the carrot to be very well blended, so I'm not gonna fool the blender. Okay, so I'm gonna do it, you know, I'm gonna do it very not too full. Okay, so it's done now. Okay, so I have my sieve here. Pour it in the sieve so it can start running through the sieve. Okay, yeah. You can see all the pulp of the carrot. Please guys, don't throw this pulp away. You can make carrot cake from it. You can make carrot cookies, carrot muffins. Okay, so the pulp is also very useful. Don't throw it away. Okay guys. So I'm going to do that for all of the carrots, then I will show you the next step when everything is blended and sifted out through the sieve. Okay, so guys, our carrot is all blended now. Okay, so if you have a lot of foam on top of it, try and take out all the foams. Okay, so I already did that. Okay, so I just wanted to mention it. All right, so now I'm gonna be adding my vanilla extract, and I will add 1 teaspoon. Okay, yeah, this is a new one. I'm just about to open it now. Okay, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You know, vanilla extract is strong, so you don't want to put a lot in it. Okay, so I'm also gonna be using 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, grounded cinnamon. Okay, so I'll try and mix it. Guys, you need to smell. At this point, you need to smell it. Oh, it smells so good, so good. This is not mixing it very well for me. Let me get a spatula and mix it in very well. because the cinnamon that is in there, I want it to be completely dissolved in it, okay? As it stays longer in the fridge, it's gonna continue to dissolve, you know, completely, okay? It takes time, guys, okay? So remember that it takes time to dissolve, but it doesn't take long, okay, before all of it will be completely dissolved. So I'm gonna keep stirring it so that everything will be completely dissolved in it. So guys, I've mixed it in very well, okay? So now I'm gonna get another clean bowl and I'm gonna sift it for the last time, okay? Okay, so now our juice is almost ready. So guys, this is the last step, and the last ingredient is gonna be the condensed milk, okay? So now I'm gonna pour all the condensed milk inside the juice, the carrot juice, and I'll mix it very, very well, okay? So guys, our condensed milk is in now. So give it a stir. Okay, so you can taste it at this point if the sugar, you know, is not too much for you. I don't want it too sugary, okay? So that's why I use like half a cup of or about a cup, let me say a cup of condensed milk, okay? So it's ready now, guys. And make sure you serve it chilled, okay, with your ice cube, and enjoy. All right, it's ready now. So guys, this is our carrot juice, okay? So yeah, here you have it, okay? So I hope you try this recipe. Very easy to do, very nutritious. We all know the benefits of carrots, okay, and also the benefit of cinnamon, okay? So enjoy it with ice cubes, keep it in the fridge, make it cold, serve your family with it, okay? So I will see you in my next one. If you haven't joined the Luxe family, what are you waiting for? Please come in and join, okay? Hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notification. That will let you know anytime I upload a new video. Till I see you next time, guys. Bye bye. I love you all.